Hello and welcome to the lecture of C. Up to this, we have seen integer and float data type. But with that, we have seen only static data. In today's lecture, we will continue with the user-defined values. For that, here our requirement is one integer variable. We wish user will give value of a and we will print the same. For that, first of all, we are giving one message to the user like enter value. To take the input from the user, we have to use scanf function to scan some value to take input from the user. As per the syntax of scanf, we have to write format specifier as per data type. So here we can write %d and then address of variable name, that is a, and at last semicolon. So user can give some value at runtime and that value will be stored into the variable a. Finally, we are printing the same value a equals to %d and a. To run this program, press Ctrl F9. Here we have one prompt, enter value. Suppose we are giving value 20 and press any key. Here a equals to 20 is the output of the program. So whatever value user will enter, that will be displayed. So here we have used printf and scanf. Thank you.